Now, after Gautam Gambhir and Virendra Sehwag, who had condemned the attack on the CRPF officer, yet another cricketer jumping in, Mohammad Kaif, has said the assault on a CRPF officer is appalling. He has tweeted, and I quote, "Appalled seeing the video of attack on our Jawans. Extremely stupid of attackers to think of our CRPF Jawans restraint as their weakness." And it's coming at a time where we've already heard from the PDP that if the cricketers can give out a message on the social media, why aren't they coming on the ground and interacting with the youth of Kashmir? The reality is quite different. But Mohammad Kaif jumping in, slamming the targeting of the CRPF officer. It was a video that had gone viral. FIR has been launched after India Today has taken up the story. It's a big India Today impact against the youth. But Mohammad Kaif going on to see appalled seeing the video of attack on our Jawans. Extremely stupid of attackers to think of our CRPF Jawans restraint as their weakness. My colleague Shuja is joining us. Shuja, it's interesting. One side you have the PDP who said, well, stop preaching, but come down and engage with Kashmiri youth, to all these cricketers as the chorus grows on the other side.
Well, that's right. It is becoming, even bigger war of words now. Not just between the PDP and these cricketers, but also other political parties also, in the valley. We just saw Omar Abdullah also tweeting, another video in which one can see a stone pelter being tied up to an army vehicle and saying, people need to look at this as well. So there is a clamor growing inside the valley as well after these celebrity cricketers have started pointing, towards this CRPF kicking video. As far as the facts on the ground are concerned, the government has decided to, file an FIR on this. But there are huge questions that are being raised on the entire manner in which this is being done, because the violence on that day was widespread. Let's remember, on that day, 8 people were killed and about 200 people were injured. So question remains, how is the government going to deal with all of that, and whether this is only a superficial measure? Shouldn't they look deep within and find out a solution which is, way more solid and everlasting?
Absolutely, Shuja. Thanks for joining us with all those details. That this is turning more and more political with cricketers, and now Mohammad Kaif voicing. This is what Gautam Gambhir and Virendra Sehwag had said earlier, standing up for the CRPF Jawans and hitting out and slamming the Kashmiri youth who were caught on camera targeting the CRPF officer who was doing his duty.
These visuals from India's heaven on earth are disturbing. India's men who defended their country, their borders, their men being ill-treated in their own land. They are slapped, kicked, heckled and punched. But they march on, standing on election duty to save our democracy. These visuals have disturbed our top cricket stars, opener Gautam Gambhir and Virendra Sehwag. The two swashbuckling batsmen are having none of this nonsense, and both have hit back hard, their reaction coming as a true Indian. Gautam Gambhir has tweeted out on the CRPF video that shows CRPF Jawans being taunted and hit by protesters. Gambhir said, "For every slap on my army's Jawans, lay down at least 100 jihadi lives. Whoever wants Azadi, leave now. Kashmir is ours." Anti-Indians have forgotten that our flag also stands for saffron, the fire of our anger, white, the shroud for jihadis, and green for the hatred for terror. The video, which shows Jawans not reacting to the provocation. Virendra Sehwag has backed his former teammate, lashing out at anti-Indian elements. The cricketer has said that this is unacceptable. Can't do this to our CRPF Jawans. This rot has to stop. Badtamizi ki had hai. These tweets from Sehwag and Gambhir have all resonated in the world of sports. Because for every player who plays for the country, India comes first. And our Jawans being mistreated by our own countrymen boils the blood in each Indian's veins. Gambhir and Sehwag have taken the lead in hitting back. Sports Bureau, India Today.
So Mohammad Kaif, Virendra Sehwag and also Gautam Gambhir supporting the CRPF officers. But here's what the PDP has. Stop preaching but come and engage with Kashmiri youth is what the PDP is saying. Many other voices also joining in with many political voices coming out after the chorus from the cricketers. But here's what Anupam Kher, who's also made his views earlier public, has to say about the CRPF officer attack.
Discussed. So what
दोस्तों, आजकल एक वीडियो प्रचलित हो रहा है जहां पर सैनिकों की एक टोली हथियारों के साथ लैस होने के बावजूद नियमों का पालन करते हुए जा रही है और उन लोगों पर, उन कायर लोगों पर बिल्कुल हाथ नहीं उठा रही है जो उनका मजाक कर रहे हैं, उन्हें मार रहे हैं, उन्हें चपत लगा रहे हैं, उनके हेलमेट गिरा रहे हैं। वरना अगर उनका बस चले तो बिना हथियारों के, बिना हेलमेट के, बिना किसी बात के एक रख के उनको मारें और वो वहीं धराशायी हो जाएंगे। इट्स टाइम टू गेट टुगेदर and expose not only these fringe elements, these terrorist-loving people, but also those people who do not comment when something like this happens.
And now also action has been taken. FIR has been launched against the Kashmiri youth who were spotted in that video targeting the CRPF personnel. They have been identified. Remember, the CRPF officer was trying to protect the EVM, showing tremendous restraint even as he was heckled and abused by the Kashmiri youth. And now they have been identified. India Today had spoken to IG CRPF yesterday, who had promised action and a crackdown. It's a big India Today impact that we're seeing now. FIR being lodged in the case.